Most people never realize their money habits are quietly making them poorer. It is not always low income that creates financial struggle. More often, it is daily behavior repeated for years. Tiny choices can slowly build either wealth or financial stress. Today, we rank the habits that keep people stuck financially. Some of these habits look harmless at first glance, but over time, they can quietly cost you everything. Hobbies can enrich life, but some quietly drain your finances fast. The real danger starts when fun becomes constant upgrading and buying. Social media makes expensive lifestyles look normal and necessary. Suddenly, hobbies become endless spending disguised as personal enjoyment. A weekend hobby can quietly become a monthly financial burden. The smartest move is enjoying hobbies with clear spending boundaries. Your passion should improve life, not quietly damage your future. Many hardworking people lose money simply by ignoring tax strategy. They focus on earning more but keep more nowhere. Legal tax planning can save serious money over many years. Even small tax advantages can compound into major long-term wealth. Wealthy people study financial rules because rules protect income. The less money wasted, the more money keeps working. Understanding taxes is not optional if wealth is your goal. Most people save only what remains after every bill gets paid. The problem is there is usually nothing meaningful left over. Unexpected spending quickly wipes out whatever little remained anyway. Wealth builders reverse that order and save first automatically. This makes saving consistent without relying on daily discipline. Even modest savings become powerful through consistency over time. Pay yourself first, then let spending adjust around that habit. Bad debt makes small purchases feel easy, but expensive later. Monthly payments look harmless until many stack together at once. Coffee, clothes, gadgets, and quick comforts start adding interest. What felt cheap today becomes a painful bill tomorrow. Debt steals future income before you even earn it. Financial freedom becomes impossible when payments own your paycheck. If you cannot buy it in cash, pause first. You cannot improve money you never bother to measure. Most people know roughly, but rarely know exact numbers. That uncertainty creates waste, leaks, and lifestyle inflation quietly. Small leaks seem harmless until they become yearly losses. Tracking spending reveals where your financial progress gets blocked. Awareness turns vague money stress into clear financial decisions. Strong money habits begin the moment you know your numbers. Saving money matters, but cutting expenses has clear limits. You can only cut so much before life feels restricted. Many people become obsessed with saving tiny amounts everywhere, but earning more creates a far bigger financial advantage. Skills, promotions, and side income can change everything faster. Higher income creates flexibility, freedom, and stronger investment power. The smartest strategy combines saving discipline with income growth. Life will surprise you financially whether you prepare or not. Medical bills, repairs, or layoffs happen when least expected. Without emergency savings, every setback becomes full financial panic. Panic often forces bad decisions like borrowing expensive money. A buffer creates breathing room when life suddenly gets difficult. That breathing room protects both your finances and mental health. A stockpile buys peace of mind money cannot fake. Money sitting idle slowly loses value because inflation never sleeps. Many wait until they feel ready, wealthy, or confident. Waiting feels safe, but waiting quietly becomes extremely expensive. Time matters more than perfect timing when building wealth. Starting small today often beats starting big much later. Compounding rewards action, patience, and simply getting started early. Let your money start working before inflation quietly eats it. The most destructive habit is complete financial indifference every day. Ignoring money problems never makes them smaller or easier. Unconscious spending creates unconscious debt, stress, and lost opportunity. People who avoid money conversations usually stay financially stuck longer. Wealth begins when you become deeply aware and intentional. Caring leads to budgeting, saving, learning, and investing smarter. Caring about money is the first habit that changes everything. Break these money habits early, and your future changes dramatically. Wealth is rarely built by luck, but by repeated choices. Start changing one habit today, then build from there. Your financial life changes the moment your daily habits change. The best time to fix your money habits is now.